Hi, welcome to our channel. As always, the information brought to you here is meant to entertain you about the real estate market in Canada, and in particular, the housing market in Vancouver and Fraser Valley. We like to ask for your support by giving us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to be notified our future videos. This video is brought to you by 3Q Marketing Services. We like to introduce to you today: will Canadian real estate prices fall up to 26%? After the pandemic lockdown, the Canadian housing market had been tight. With low supply and high demand, home prices soared higher during a recession. According to Veritas investment research, a Bay Street researchers, Canadian home prices may take a big tumble to fall up to 26%. Although the firm said that real estate price declines were unlikely, they cautioned that in the event of a supply shock, home prices could experience a huge decline in values. The firm warned that mortgage deferrals had now expired, and things were getting back to normal. Homeowners who took advantage of the mortgage deferral program would have to deal with their own finances and mortgage obligations. The question is, what percentage of the homeowners who took advantage of the mortgage payment deferrals would turn into sellers when they now have to deal with their mortgage payments? Which segments of the housing market will be affected, and how their home prices will fare? We examined the data earlier in our last video, and found that detached homes in Greater Vancouver under $1.8 million were found to be the most active and in great demand. This segment of the housing market should be doing fine, and not likely to be affected by distressed sales that will depress detached home prices. So, even if some of these homeowners are forced to sell, they will not have too much difficulties in selling their homes and cleared their loan obligations. As for higher-priced detached homes from $3 million to $5 million or more, these home sellers will likely suffer more severe price decline due to lack of buyers for their homes. The detached home market, with average 2,446 sales and 4,047 active listings, at 60% active sales to total listings ratio, is bullish for the detached home market. It is generally accepted that when this ratio is above 20% for a prolonged period, home prices will go up. The situation for condos is quite different. Condos are currently the weakest segment of the housing market, and condo sellers are facing severe challenges. Many more condos are expected to hit the market, and if inventory overwhelms the demand for condos, the market can turn quickly. And, if sales are not keeping pace with the supply of new listings, condo prices can go down quickly. The already weak condo rental market, where rental rates had already dropped 10% or more, the past 12 months had resulted in more sellers wanting to sell, and buyers for condos waiting on the sideline and holding back their purchases. The cost per square foot for condos, as shown in this chart, showed that during the past 4 years, there was a brief period in 2018, where the average cost per square foot was above $800 per square foot. If the new supply buildup is not absorbed as quickly as they hit the market, the average cost per square foot could drop below the 2019 low of $745 per square foot. The average price for all resale condos is currently around $675,000. And, the 2018 low price for condos was $640,000. As can be seen from the chart here, there was a period in 2016 where the average condo price was at the $550,000 level. At current condo price of $675,000, a price drop to $550,000 would represent a 19% price decline. Is a price decline of 19% possible for Greater Vancouver? We can only wait to find out whether this will happen. Most people will agree that the current housing market for condos is not favorable to condo owners. The demand for condos the next 18 months will set the pace and determine whether a crash in condo prices can be avoided. For more information on buying or selling your home, kindly contact James Wong at 604-721-4817. Thank you for visiting.